Hello, work life warriors. I hope you're doing well. Today, I wanted to come past and talk about play. We work so hard to accomplish our dreams. We spend so much of our lives preparing to have careers. And once we reach a certain age, we stop playing. We stop doing the things that make us happy, that bring us joy, the things we used to spend hours doing as children. We stop doing. So just think about laughter. Children laugh between 300 to 500 times a day, or 100 to 300 times a day, depending on the statistic. And human adults may laugh somewhere between 10 to 30 times a day, depending on the statistic. So think about what a huge difference it is from laughing 100 to 500 times a day to barely laughing 10 to 30 times a day. I don't know about your life, but my life is not as funny unless I insert some fun or some funny. I can go days, weeks, months without laughing unless I'm intentional about adding laughter and joy to my life. It is our responsibility to play as hard as we work, even if other people do not understand what we're doing or why we do it. You do what makes you happy and what makes you joyous, because in turn, it relieves stress. It helps you to relax. It helps to rejuvenate you so you can go back and be engaged in life and be productive in the things that you think are important. Fun and play is so important to renewing and recharging yourself so that you can go out into the world and add some much needed value. So don't let people tell you that work is the only important thing in your life and that play is optional. Play isn't optional. It is a biological need. Human beings are forever juvenile, which means we are meant to play forever. So there is a direct correlation between happiness and playing more in addition to working. So, do you play? Do you go out of your way to play? How do you play? Do you do social play? Do you do cosplay? Do you like to do physical play? Please tell me, how do you play and how do you make play an important part of your life and an important aspect of stress relief and stress management. I hope this helps, work life warriors. Have a great day.